Hello guys, and welcome to another video on Tutorials Guru. Today we're going to be teaching you how you can change or remove your phone number on Google account. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Gmail account. Make sure that you are logged into this Google account in which you'd like to change your phone number or add your phone number. Now go ahead and tap on your profile picture that appears on the top right corner. Tap on Manage your Google account. Now tap on the profile info section, scroll down, and then you'll be able to see your phone number. Tap on it. Now tap on your phone number. On top of your phone number now, you'll be able to see a pencil icon or a dustbin icon. So if you tap on the dustbin icon, you'll be requested to enter your phone's password. If you tap on continue, once you've verified that it's you, you're allowed to edit your information on your Google account. So if you tap on dustbin icon again, you'll see the option of remove number. So if you tap on it, your phone number will be removed. If you want to add a new number, you can tap on the add now option that appears and enter your phone number that you'd like to add to your Google account. Tap on next and tap on get code. After that, a code will be sent to you by Gmail on your SMS. As you can see, I've received my code. Simply copy it and paste it and tap on verify. As you can see, my phone number has been added. So if I go ahead and open this phone number again and tap on the pencil icon that appears on top of it, I'll be able to update number. So if I tap on update number, I'll be able to edit it and then tap on select. It will require you to verify that phone number again, and then it will be updated to that phone number on your Google account. And this is how you can change or add or remove your phone number on Google account. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.